Edo is for PDP and PDP is for Edo, only to the extent that our national chairman solved the problems that we want him to solve in Edo State. Mr. Chairman, PDP was the ruling party before 2007. What led to the exit of PDP in Edo State for 12 years was when they started deregistering people. They started driving people and said they don't need membership. And that was how we took advantage. And our slogan then was to rescue Edo State and let the people lead. And that was how PDP was out for 12 years. Your Excellency, God knows that Edo has to change, and Edo must develop, and Edo must move forward. Without election, that's impunity. APC started that same impunity. They took it to another level, to the extent they disqualified our leader, the governor of Edo State. And that was how our executive members, national chairman, sir, party members, state chairman, ward chairman, executives of all APC resigned and said, Governor, go to PDP. Not because Governor and I wanted to go to PDP. They, led by Aslam Mojezwa, said, go to PDP. We will follow you, we will resign. To their way, they resigned their membership and their executive position in APC and joined PDP. Chairman, sir, people are saying the governor will not leave PDP. The governor will only remain in PDP when he sees his soldiers remaining in PDP. Two of us, if all of us, the way we are being treated now, decide to leave PDP, this governor will follow us. So if they say governor remain in PDP, to the extent that his soldiers are in PDP. Mr. Chairman, sir, we are angry and we need you to solve that problem.
You are not our friend, you are not a member of our party. Leave what belongs to our party. Give us our property back. That's what we're asking for. We did not beat you. Except you want to come back, we'll look at it. Whether we will have, except you want to come back, we'll look at it and see whether we'll help you. Even if you come now, it's late. Because I don't want you to come and carry those problem areas and come and infect us there. No, we don't want that. And our leader, let me also say this as one of the leaders of our party. You know, this is the thing I'm talking about, impunity. You see, in our party, I was in Madrid when I was reading and watching what a deputy governor ranting in the media. A deputy governor threatening the party that's their alternative to PDP. This is the same deputy governor that they were kneeling down to beg for us to give them umbrella. Today has effrontery to threaten PDP. Such a shame. These are the same people. When they were denied ticket under APC, they were running helter-skelter, begging everybody to give them umbrella, and we gave them umbrella. We went and measured the part that they won that election. Today, that deputy governor will be ranting. A deputy governor will come out on television to tell PDP the alternative. I have written to the national chairman of the party. If they don't constitute disciplinary committee against the deputy governor, I will invoke the sections of the party and I will make sure they must discipline that deputy governor. He said, and he lost his election at local government when he lost. And he will come out on television to threaten the party, the alternative. Look at the deputy governor. It's really unfortunate. It's really unfortunate for our party. A deputy governor is wearing khaki. Look at. Eh? I have never seen a thing like this in my life. This is the first time I can see a deputy governor come out in the television to tell the party, if you don't do this, who is his father? Can you come and tell the whole party where we are as governors? Now that he has started the trouble, let him wait. We will make sure he will never have rest. You don't come and threaten us. It won't work. And it will never work. Nobody will do what you want them to do. It will not happen. Threatening that, oh, you have another alternative. Why did you go to that alternative when the rain was beating you? You saw alternative, you didn't go. You ran down to PDP, begged everywhere, said, please, don't disgrace us, give us. We will be loyal. This is the loyalty now, is to threaten the party. We are waiting for them. We are waiting for them. So, I said it because you are one of the leaders of our party. Tomorrow night they say Wike has started. I'm quiet. I don't look for trouble, but don't look for my own trouble too. But I can't be in a party where a deputy governor will threaten the party and they say I should keep quiet. He will be lashed properly. So next time he will know Kaki no be leader. All that Kaki where they wear, no be leader. Deceiving people, Kaki. So nobody should take all these things. PDP is formidable and ready to win election in 2023. PDP is ready. It's not the ranting of people who cannot win their local government. You are running an election, you fail in your local government, and you have the effrontery to threaten a whole party. What is your contribution in the party in the first place? Why did we not win in your local government? If you are that strong, why did we lose? It's only those who can win their local government that can say, look, if you don't give me, not somebody who has lost his local government who come and threaten us, a loser threatening us.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.